Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start right away by ensuring you have admin rights and the connection type. Wired is preferred for testing. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet, and run the status troubleshooter to gather initial diagnostics. Then, open an elevated command prompt and run ipconfig/all. Note your IP4, gateway, and DNS entries because you will compare those with later results. Once done, disable third-party VPNs or firewalls temporarily because they often mask the real issue. Next, run ping and tracert tests to separate local VS, upstream faults, ping an IP like 8 to test routing, then tracert to identify hops causing delay. If packets fail, reset the network stack, run netch int IP reset and netch winsock reset, then reboot. Also open Device Manager, disable and re-enable the network adapter to refresh it, and update its driver when a newer stable driver exists. Make sure to document any persistent error codes for the final stage. To finish, change DNS to a public resolver like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to verify name resolution, and forget then reconnect to the Wi-Fi profile so Windows recreates credentials and settings. If you suspect corrupted settings, recreate the adapter profile or remove and re-add the adapter in Device Manager. If problems persist, boot into safe mode with networking and retest. That isolates third-party interference. One key troubleshooting tip. If safe mode works, reintroduce software one piece at a time to find the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.